Now that I have the snappy outfit and this room, all that's left to be ready for Halloween is a witch's hat. Let's do it! We start with the paper patterns. I'm going to leave a link in the description to the Pinterest tutorial I use for that. Now, I cut them out of felt. I was originally intending to make the whole project out of black felt, but I didn't have enough. So I cut the triangle piece once out of cotton and the brim piece twice out of cotton. Then we start with sewing the felt cone shape. I used embroidery thread for that, just until you get to the top. Now I'm gonna need a twisty tie. So I found this little twisty tie I had lying around. You take that and you try and insert it inside the embroidery thread. This is done so the hat can fold and look all witchy and spooky like. Now we cover the cone shape with the cotton, like so. Start with attaching it on one side, get the twisty tie inside there, and then closing it. Used embroidery thread in the right color for that. Now we take the brim pieces. We start by attaching the felt piece to the hat, and then we do little notches with scissors on each one of the brim shapes from cotton. And we put one of them over the cone and one of them underneath, just like so. Now to attach it, I used the little ribbon I had, and I attached that again with embroidery thread, but I think in this case it would have been better to use just regular sewing thread. It looks okay, but I think it would have looked better with sewing thread. I sewed it on both sides, both edges, and on the lower edge made sure to attach the little notches to the hat. Now I close both edges of the brim with black embroidery thread. Makes it look nice and raggedy, like a witch's hat, like a hat that has seen some things. Yeah, now we are ready to roll. Well, fly. Look at the magic. Yeah. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I'm off to do some witchcraft. Bye, bitches. I mean, witches. I also made myself a little familiar. It's a felted cat. Does it look like a cat? Well, bye. Happy Halloween.